Hi, I'm the acupuncturist Lise Vernasco, and I've been asked to speak about shingles and its treatment in traditional Chinese medicine. Shingles is related to the chickenpox virus. It's thought that we get shingles more often nowadays because when kids used to get chickenpox prior to the vaccine, when adults were exposed, it's like we would get a little booster shot and we would increase our immunity. Shingles appears as a rash, usually on their chest, can be your head, one-sided. Usually it goes along the dermatome, so like around the space where your rib cage goes. In Chinese medicine, it's described as a creeping snake. The Western treatment is acyclovir, which is sometimes effective. In Chinese medicine, we address it as usually liver fire, sometimes with spleen qi deficiency. I give needles to balance the pattern, in other words, to clear liver fire, to nourish spleen. And I do a technique called surround the dragon, which means I take a lot of acupuncture needles and I go tightly around the edge of the irritated area, and that releases heat and allows the rash to heal quicker and to diminish pain. Usually I send people home with something called a 7-star needle, which is 7 tiny, tiny needles on a long plastic wand, and you tap, 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 tap around where the area is irritated, and it can help to heal quicker and also reduce pain. The herbal formula Longdan Sheigan Tong works on the pattern, and it can help you to sleep when you start to reduce the liver fire. In Chinese medicine school, we're taught that the number one thing to do for shingles is to sleep, but if you've ever had shingles, you know that it can be really hard to sleep. There's a topical called Longdan Sheigan Tong, an internal formula called Longdan Sheigan Tong that you can take, and that also helps to resolve the pattern. In Chinese medicine, taking herbs is like a little mini acupuncture treatment through the day. In general, shingles is an opportunistic problem. It usually happens to older people when we're tired or super stressed out, when you run down or you're stressed. And so, as always in Chinese medicine, the best thing to do is to take care of yourself on a daily basis. Make sure that you're rested, make sure that you're staying physically fit, and eat well, and try to manage your stress. So that's what I know about shingles. If you have any questions, please let me know and I'll be happy to answer. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.